if you have any process pending and you are able to ask for an advance parole. Advance parole is when I ask for permission to travel outside the United States. Most people don't know this, but sometimes immigrants have a process pending and they're stuck inside the United States because they cannot travel without a special permit called advance parole. Well, this advance parole can be given to certain immigrants, and as of Friday, we were asking for these permits even for people who had prior deportation orders, because at this moment they had some other benefit. So you could have a deportation order from when you were 2 or 3 years old, and then today you're a dreamer, you're a DACA, and you have an employment authorization and you're living legally in the United States, and you ask for a permit to travel. So if you have this permit to travel, you could leave and come back, because we have the law on our site that says that departures under advance parole are not departures that trigger order of deportations. Well, last Friday, a DACA, a dreamer, came back on advance parole, and instead of the CBP officer allowing him inside the United States, he was deported to Mexico because he had this removal order that he didn't even know about. And so what the CBP officer did is against the law. It's wrong. But in the meantime, I cannot tell anyone in a similar situation to travel outside the United States. So please listen to me. If you want to travel outside the United States, you need to obtain advance parole. You can apply for it. It takes 9 to 10 months to obtain one of these permits. However, if you already have an approved advance parole at this very moment, and you have an order of deportation, a previous order of deportation, do not travel. Not until we clarify this issue. Not until the government tells us that this was a mistake. Because if this is a new policy, then you will not come back. So we need to be very careful. If you have advance parole, you cannot travel outside the United States if you have a prior order of deportation. Please help me share this information, because if people travel and this was not a one mistake, but it's a change in policy, then all the people with advance parole and prior orders of removal are not going to come back, and we cannot afford that mistake. So please help me share that information.